Hi, and in this video let's see how you can navigate bookmarks like if it was a file system with a file manager on Commando Pro. On Commando Pro exists for Linux, macOS and Windows, and you can download it here. So in this is going to be part of the tutorial that you can generate here. And now if you have the bookmark, let's make it a bit bigger, the font. So basically at the moment, if I go to navigation, I don't have any bookmarks, so I'm going to add some new files to the bookmark. So I need to go to select this one, then I can do navigation, add bookmark, and I also need to do the, which one would it be, system there, so this one, and again Ctrl+B or add bookmark. So now if I go there, you see I have a file in the bookmark file system. I also have a directory in the bookmark file system. Now I can navigate this bookmark file system by using the go to, and then in the drop down you'll see I will have the bookmark, so you can choose the bookmark. In this case it's the bookmarks of the application, but you can also use the bookmark of the specific panel or the bookmark that what are the top set location. So in this part we're just going to use the bookmark of the file system, and we're just going to choose the root part. And if I go there, you'll see I have two files. I have a directory and I have a text file. I can even open the text file because then it would go to the real file. And if I go to the directory, it will just point me directly. It's just like a link. It's just going to go into the directory in this case. So, and notice as now the location is no longer bookmarks. So if I would go at navigation history, if I go back, you see now I'm in the bookmark file system, and when I go there, I'm in just back on the normal local file system. So if you want, you can go to the configuration, settings, and I think bookmarks, and you can remove them here once you've done with the exercise. So let's remove them. And normally, yes, they are removed, as you can see. Okay, let's go back to the tutorial. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this, and if you have questions or remarks, just put them in the comments, and yeah, see you at the next video. And also don't forget to like and share also if you like this part. Okay, bye.